What's up, y'all? It's Nick here with Wise Enterprise, here to go over a video about my Jewelers Club. All right. So, if you don't know, Wise Enterprise is an investment consulting company, and we help people get either business financing or business funding to invest into, the financial markets. All right. So, we are a big time foreign exchange trading company. I've been doing it for over 2 years. And we have an academy with students who are very profitable with us. So one thing that we've been doing is helping people clean up their credit or boost their credit score to be able to get, funding from the banks. All right, if you have a 700 plus credit score, the banks will come knocking at your door to give you financing if you have a business. And that's what we'll use to invest in the market instead of risking your own money. All right, so as you can see, we're on the website, My Jewelers Club. This is one of the credit boosters or builders. All right, and this is just a jewelry website, and it's basically geared towards helping people build their credit, right? So how it works is they sell jewelry, of course, and click on how it works. All right, so the benefit of joining My Jewelers Club is they give you easy approvals, immediate approvals, and there's $5,000 credit limit. All right, so that is what's going to pop up on your credit report. All right, and it's going to show as you keep making your monthly payments that it's going to keep reporting to the bureaus. All right, so these are the qualifications. All right, just U.S. citizen, 18 or older, valid SSN, have a monthly household of at least $1,400, which it's stated income. You can say you can make however much you want. All right. Prior credit history, good or bad, doesn't matter. All right. So how it works is you place a minimum buy of $100 on any product, and you complete the membership fee, which is $99. All right. And of that $100, they're only going to make you pay 50% of it. All right. So in total, you only need $150 to start today. All right. And yes, we're reporting line of credit to all bureaus. All right, so having that $5,000 line of credit on your, credit profile will boost your score. All right, and make your file stronger. All right, so we can go ahead and look at my account. All right, see here. See here, the credit limit, boom, 5,000. My balance right now is $76. All right, so when this reports to my credit report, it'll show, I'm only using $76 out of 5,000, and my credit utilization will go way down. Okay, and that's what you want. You want your credit card utilization to be for sure under 30%, but anything under 20% is really good. All right, so as you can see, it shows a 50% down. All right, so now, without further ado, we got it in the mail. Let's see. All right, let's see. I want to full screen it. Let's do it. Man, I got the heavy duty on here. Heavy duty. I didn't get anything crazy, right? I just got some earrings. So let's see what they look like. See what they look like. Oh. Me flying those. I already got them. So, but I lose mine a lot. So, yeah. That's what you get with My Jewelers Club. You get, some jewelry. You got a girl, get some jewelry for your girl or your mom. There's always holidays and things like that coming up. But get that $5,000 credit limit, right, for $150. So it's basically an $150 investment, all right, to build up your score and be able to get, between $20,000 to $150,000 in business financing with a good personal credit. All right. So this has been an episode of My Jewelers Club. All right, Wise Enterprise, here to help you. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Also, drop my email with the link to this website and, get your credit boosted, man. Peace.